Hi guys, I am here to tell you why life boat is the worst server on Bedrock. I am here to stop this and spread the word, and the amount of hacking I have seen is outrageous. Just look as. You can see he was full diamond and flying in the air and just killing all the players around him. I know he was using Venom proxy because this guy promoted cheat into the game.
I
Just
find
look
the
as you
nearest
can.
chest for some food.
See, he is
Then I
the
turn on
ultimate
TP
cheater
chest,
to
so I
Kife
can
Life
teleport
boat.
to chests fast for
This
leather
or I
and
don't know,
books.
but I hope this gets
I
fixed.
also turn on storage
TX for watching the
ESP,
vid
so I can
side if
see
you
all
want
the
to.
chests